Car gadgets are items put in automobiles to give additional functions and features. While some devices are intended for utility, others are intended for amusement or convenience. In this video, we will examine the top 10 car accessories that every car owner should have. From safety to comfort, these devices have it all. Continue watching to learn more. If you own a car, you are aware that there are several accessories and devices that can make your life easier. Regardless of their function, car gadgets can significantly improve the driving experience. From safety to enjoyment, there exists a device for practically every purpose. Here are top 10 gadgets for car owners. Number 10. Amazon Echo Auto. Amazon Echo Auto is a car accessory that enables voice control of your vehicle's music, navigation, and other capabilities. Amazon Echo Auto connects to your car's radio by Bluetooth or 3.5mm AUX input and uses the Alexa voice service to play music, provide directions, and more. In addition to being able to operate your smart home gadgets, such as lighting and thermostats, Amazon Echo Auto can also control your automobile. Amazon.com and other select shops sell the Amazon Echo Auto. Number 9. Slime Tire Inflator. Many people consider slime to be a children's toy, yet the Slime Tire Inflator is a device that can be utilized by anyone. This device plugs into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle and rapidly inflates your tires. It is ideal for individuals who are constantly on the move and have no time to stop at a gas station. The Slime Tire Inflator features a digital display so you can see how much air is in your tires, as well as an LED light for nighttime use. This device is compact and lightweight, making it simple to stow in the glove box or trunk. Whether you're a road warrior or a weekend warrior, you must have the Slime Tire Inflator for your vehicle. Number 8. TST Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System from Trust is a vehicle accessory that monitors tire pressure. It contains a display that indicates the pressure in each tire and an alert that sounds when the pressure drops too low. You may set the alarm to sound at any pressure, ensuring that your tires are always properly inflated. The TST Tire Pressure Monitoring System is an excellent way to maintain the condition of your tires and save money on gas. Number 7. Car Vacuum Cleaner. Car Vacuum Cleaner is a car accessory that assists in cleaning the interior of your vehicle. It features a long hose that you may use to vacuum up dirt and debris from the seats and floor. Additionally, the car vacuum cleaner includes a crevice tool to facilitate access to confined spots. This device is battery operated, thus it must be charged before to use. The car vacuum cleaner is a practical solution to keep your automobile clean and free of dirt and dust. Number 6. Mirror DASHCAM. Mirror DASHCAM is a new automobile accessory that will transform the way we drive. The device mounts to the rearview mirror of your automobile and delivers a high-definition camera picture of the road behind you. This provides a good perspective of traffic and any hazards, making it easier to drive safely. The Mirror DASHCAM has GPS tracking, so you are always aware of your precise location. In addition, the gadget will automatically record any accidents or events, providing crucial evidence in the event of an accident. Mirror DASHCAM is the ideal approach to be safe on the road and remain always aware of your surroundings. Number 5. Portable Fridge. A portable refrigerator is a device that helps keep food and beverages cold or frozen while traveling. It plugs into the cigarette lighter in your car and has an integrated fan to circulate air and keep things cool. The portable refrigerator is perfect for extended road trips, tailgating, and picnics. It's also useful for keeping medications and other emergency supplies cool. The portable refrigerator is available in a range of sizes to suit your needs, and some models even have an integrated freezer. Whether you're taking a cross-country road trip or simply want to keep your lunch cold, a portable refrigerator is the ideal solution. Number 4. Portable Humidifier. Portable humidifier is a car accessory that few people are aware of. It keeps the air in your vehicle clean and wet, free of the dryness that causes so many issues. portable humidifier is user-friendly. Simply add water before plugging it into your cigarette lighter. It will operate for several hours, purifying and moisturizing the air in your vehicle. A portable humidifier is a great device for anyone with allergies or respiratory issues. It is also an excellent technique to prevent the interior of your vehicle from drying out and cracking. Number 3. MAGSAFE Charger. The MAGSAFE charger is a vehicle accessory that assists in charging your electric vehicle. Unique in that it employs magnetic force to suspend the charging line off the ground, making it considerably simpler to connect to your vehicle. The LED indicator on the MAGSAFE charger indicates when the connection is complete, making it simple to use. Additionally, MAGSAFE charger is compatible with all electric vehicles, making it a versatile and practical accessory for anyone with an electric vehicle. Number 2. Car Air Purifier. A car air purifier is an automobile accessory that helps to purify the air within a vehicle. This is accomplished by trapping pollutants and allergens in the car's filter, which can subsequently be removed. Car air purifiers are available in a range of sizes and shapes and are simple to install. Most automobile air purifiers operate by drawing air into the purifier and passing it through a filter. The filtered air is then recirculated throughout the vehicle, while contaminants are captured by the filter. Pollutants such as dust, pollen, and pet dander can be removed by air purifiers, making the air safer for persons with allergies or asthma. Additionally, automotive air purifiers can minimize odors within the vehicle. Number 1. Bluetooth cassette adapter. Bluetooth cassette adapters are automobile accessories that allow you to play music from a Bluetooth-enabled device through the cassette player in your vehicle. Several brands and models are available, but they all operate in essentially the same way. Simply pair it with your Bluetooth device and plug it into your car's cassette player to utilize it. The adapter will then transmit the signal from your device to the car's speakers, enabling wireless music playback. Bluetooth cassette adapters are a terrific method to add Bluetooth capabilities to an older automobile, and they can be obtained online or at most electrical stores for a reasonable price. What are your thoughts on this video? Tell us in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel before leaving.